How to share any design or product on Redbubble to Facebook directly. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share any Redbubble design or product to Facebook directly. Easy and fast method. So all what you have to do, go to Redbubble like this, and this is the home page as you can see. Now choose a design. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Now if you want to share it, just go to the top corner right here and click, and here you go. Now you can share it to Facebook newsfeed, or you can share it to Facebook group as you can see. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.